Hey Buffs, my name is Zarin Lawson, the Director of Strategic Communications for CU Student Government. In the past, you may have seen or heard things on social media before receiving a CU alert. This can happen because all information sent out in a CU alert must be verified by police or emergency responders to get the most accurate information out to the students. In an emergency, yes, time is of the essence, but verified information is key to student safety. Sending an alert without fully verifying information can make things worse, creating a dangerous situation for officers responding to the situation or a false panic if there's not an actual emergency. So while you may see something faster on social media, it may not be fully accurate or verified. You can trust that information in a CU alert is true and verified. For more information on our alert system and details, visit alerts.colorado.edu.